In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a vendor credit in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to enter the vendor credit. So you want to navigate to vendors up top and you want to click on enter bills. When you do that, you want to select the credit radio button up top, and then you basically have to choose the vendor over here and you have to put in all the details. So we're going to go and do something random. We're just going to do, like, for example, this auto shop over here. Then you have to put in the date, the class over here as well. You can go and select the reference number, the credit amount over here, and of course you can also add a memo if you want to. Now down here you can then go and of course set this. I'm gonna go and select repairs and maintenance over here, and then you can do a customer over here if you want to, and class, etc. I'm just going to leave it like it is, and then when you're ready, click on save and close. Okay, so that's the first part. Then to apply the credit to a bill, you want to go to vendors yet again, and you want to click on pay bills. Now in here you want to select the checkbox next to the, of course, bill you want to apply the credit to. So over here I'm going to just find one. For example, let's say it was this one, but of course you can just like show them over here and basically see the date view over here, and you'll be able to kind of filter these and find the one that you want. So I'm just gonna go with let's just go with this first one over here. For an example, I'm gonna click on this check mark next to it, and whenever you click on that, you want to click on the set credits button down here at the bottom, and then here in the discount and the credits window you'll have to select the credit you want to apply and then click on done. Okay, so for example here I'm gonna do it like that, and you can of course do it however you want. This is just an example. Again, in your case it's going to be an actual data. This is some demo data I'm working on, and then you want to click on the done button over here, and then here it says I have to enter in the discount, so I'm just going to for example click on something random and click on done. There we go. And then whenever you're ready, you have to click on pay selected bills down here at the bottom to finalize, and there we go, you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.